this next game is going to be my last. And the moment I told myself first that yes, this is the game that is going to be my last, is when I started recollecting everything. It was so strange. Started thinking about this game, this coach, that team, that member, that ground, that away match, this good game, that bad game, all my individual performances, everything came, all the flashes came.
Sunil Chhetri has been the one silver lining in the inky dark cloud that is Indian football. I swear guys, Indian football will not be the same after June 6, 2024 जब छेत्री उसका लास्ट मैच खेलेगा अगेंस्ट कुवैत in the World Cup qualifier at the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. Football has a magical ability to captivate the hearts of millions around the world, and Sunil Chhetri is a medium of it. You have to believe it guys, he is the 5th highest international goal scorer among active players, behind only Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi. This is the story of a legend who makes Indian football shines. The all-time top scorer for Indian football and its captain Sunil Chhetri is one of the most decorated footballer in India. Sunil was born in Sikandrabad on August 3, 1984. एक काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है टू नोट दैट डिस्पाइट कमिंग फ्रॉम द फैमिली ऑफ फुटबॉल द स्पोर्ट वॉज नॉट क्लोज टू छेत्रीज हार्ट ड्यूरिंग हिज टीनेज ईयर्स. छेत्री का सिर्फ एक ही गोल था टू गेन एंट्री इन दिल्लीज सेंट स्टीफेंस कॉलेज थ्रू द स्पोर्ट्स कोटा टू फर्दर हिज एजुकेशन. वो बिल्कुल भी अवेयर नहीं था कि उसकी डेस्टिनी वॉज डिजाइन फॉर अ ग्रेटर थिंग इन अ ब्यूटीफुल गेम. छेत्री का करियर इन फुटबॉल स्टार्ट होता है इन द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया when he represented City Club Delhi in 2001 and 2. Chhetri would spend countless hours kicking a ball. उसका रॉ टैलेंट बिल्कुल भी अननोटिस नहीं होता है. एट द एज ऑफ 16 उसे एक लोकल स्काउट रिकमेंड करता है टू द मोहन बगान फुटबॉल क्लब. दिस बिकम द टर्निंग पॉइंट इन हिज लाइफ एंड मार्क द बिगनिंग ऑफ एन इलिस्ट्रियस करियर. जॉइनिंग मोहन बगान वॉज अ गेम चेंजर फॉर छेत्री. हियर ही बिल्ड अ पैशन फॉर अ गेम. वो काफ़ी जल्दी से अपना मार्क बना लेता है इन अ क्लब. छेत्री मोहन बगान के लिए 14 गोल्स स्कोर करता है इन 24 अपीयरेंसेस. अंडर सुनील्स कैप्टेंसी मोहन बगान वॉन न्यूमरियस टाइटल्स इंक्लूडिंग द प्रेस्टिजियस आई लीग एंड फेडरेशन कप. छेत्री का AFC कप परफॉर्मेंस काफ़ी सारे इंटरनेशनल अटेंशन गेन कर लेता है जिससे ही ओपन्स द डोर टू द न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज. छेत्री मेड हिज इंडिया डेब्यू अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान इन क्वेटा in 2005 and over the next 2 decades become the country's most famous face. अपने कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करना वो भी इंटरनेशनल स्टेज पर इज बिगेस्ट ड्रीम फॉर एनी फुटबॉलर एंड सुनील चेरिश्ड एवरी मोमेंट वेयरिंग द नेशनल जर्सी. उसकी एबिलिटी टू स्कोर क्रूशियल गोल्स एंड लीड द टीम फ्रॉम द फ्रंट earned him the status of national hero. While there were moments of triumph, there were also moments of heartbreak. India with Sunil as their star player faced challenges in major tournaments, unable to secure the result they desired. Sunil's dedication and perseverance never wavered. He continued to give his all on the pitch, always pushing himself and his teammates to reach greater height. अगर हम सुनील छेत्री के रिकॉर्ड्स की बात करें, then he hold following records. Most hat-trick by an Indian in Indian Super League. First Indian player to score hat-trick in Indian Super League. Highest Indian goal scorer in Indian Super League, highest Indian goal scorer in I-League, most hat-trick for India, first Indian player to have played in 3 different continents, most appearances for India, highest international goals by an Indian, first footballer to receive Khel Ratna Award. Now let's talk about international recognition and achievements. Sunil Chhetri's exceptional performance on national and international stage caught the attention of football enthusiasts worldwide. He became a role model for aspiring footballers not only in India but across the globe. 2011 में छेत्री was named as AIFF Player of the Year, marking his contribution to Indian football. छेत्री का impact on Indian football काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशनल रहा है. वो सिंगल हैंडेडली इंस्पायर करता है a generation of football lover. और तो FIFA honored him in 2022 on the occasion of 2022 FIFA World Cup by releasing 3 episodes of documentary about his life and career for becoming the 3rd most international goal scorer in the world among active players. Chhetri's autobiography is mesmerizing tale of triumph against all odds, from kicking a rag ball in a small village to becoming an international icon. His journey is an inspiration to football enthusiasts and dreamers alike. His passion, perseverance and natural talent propelled him to great heights, leaving an incredible mark on the world of football. अगर आपको ये वीडियो एज एन इंडियन फुटबॉल फैन इंस्पायर करता है, then please like it. Also subscribe to my channel.